I'd like to thank the seller for sending this to us in exchange for a video. Truly, all of the opinions in this video are my own. I'm gonna be taking this on in my car. This is where this chair belongs. Right into your car. Right into your trunk for whenever you need it. Just so you guys are aware, it did take me like 15 minutes to figure this out. But now I believe I can do this in most likely under a minute. I got my chair again. Thumbs up. That's comfy. I'm about 5'5", so that's about the height, and I take up most of the chair. So, standing up, here it is. Let me get a good show of it. I mean, this is so simple, guys. It's so incredible. So simple, so comfortable. Put it anywhere. Oh, I gotta take a seat. So if you guys are in the market for a camping chair, I honestly, this might be your go-to. Here, you know, like I said, again, here's just everything. Super lightweight, by the way. I mean, obviously, I pick this up with my pinky. I mean, it's so lightweight, which is really nice. Sit in the chair. Okay. It's a good sleeping chair, guys. He already fell asleep. He's awake. I woke him up.